sure. What's more, I didn't have an oar, and struggle as I might, piranhas nipping at my sides. And there'd be riots in the galleries over pictures, should they try and do away with all tradition, leave just the vision and the eye. And believe me, you're a vision, and that's as painful as it gets. I've been told it's hard to know me, but do you find it hard yourself? It struck me as I slept, I wept, it struck me as I cried. I tried, but I can never find career in the music biz. Find who my soulmate